In this objective question, they specified 17% of the double-stranded DNA of the sea urchin is cytosine. With this specification, they are insisting us to calculate the amount of guanine, adenine and thymine. For this, let me calculate the amount of nucleotide with the Chargaff rule. According to the Chargaff law, A is equal to thymine and the number of guanosine residue is equal to number of cytosine residue. That means the guanine is equal to cytosine. With this specification, we are saying guanine is 17% and adenine is 33% and thymine is 33%. There is 17% cytosine in the given question, meaning that the percentage of guanine is also 17%. So we choose an option B as a correct answer. Why we need to do all this calculation? Why? Because to understand the genetic diversity as well as the phenotypic diversity of the sea urchin exhibiting various color in the various segment of the sea. So we choose an option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option E, C and D.